Hello friends, today I've got a very interesting topic for you of mathematics, that is estimation. So I will be teaching you today two different methods, one which is followed in Cambridge program and the other one which is followed in CBSE pattern, both in very easy and interesting manner. So are you ready to learn?
This is Cambridge program estimation method. Let's round off to nearest 10. So the rule that we have to remember here is to check the number either in the bracket of 0 to 4 or 5 to 9. Let's take the first number, 32. Check the number of zeros here. This is 1 0, so we'll see only the first place. 2 falls in this bracket or this bracket. It falls in the lesser bracket. So if that is lesser, it will be rounded off to 0. So this will come 0 and this number will come as it is. So the answer is 3030. Let's take another example. So the next example is 68. So we have to see if it falls in the lesser bracket or the more bracket. It falls in the more bracket, that is 5 to 9 bracket. If this falls into this category, the method is this will become 0 because we are seeing only the first place because we have to round off till nearest 10. So 0 for 1 0 is there. So this place, this will become 0 and 1 will be added here. So this will become 70. So the answer would be 70 here. Let's take up another example. Rounding off again to the nearest 10, I will take 47. It falls in 5 to 9 bracket. We'll see only the first place. So this will become 0 and the previous number will be added with 1. That becomes 5. So the answer is 50. Nearest 10 is 50. Let's take up another example. Let's round off to nearest 100. First example, 326. 2 zeros are there. So we have to check 1 and 2. 2 zeros are there, the second place, 1, 2, second place. Now the second place one, is it falling in 0 to 4 bracket or 5 to 9 bracket? It is falling in the lesser bracket between 0 to 4. So this will become 0 and this will also become 0. And this number will come as it is. So the answer would be 300. Now let's take up one more example for this. Second, 589. Now, as I told, 2 zeros are there. So we'll see 1, 2, 2 places. This number is coming in the bigger bracket, 5 to 9. So this will be 0, this will be 0. But when the second number is bigger, we will add 1 to this. That will become 600. So this is the answer. That is 600. Let's take another example. Let's round off to nearest thousands. Okay, don't forget the rule. 0 to 4 is one bracket, 5 to 9 is the other bracket. So first example is 6410. So when in thousands we have 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros, we'll see 1, 2, 3, the third place. Now this comes in 0 to 4 bracket or 5 to 9 bracket. This is coming in 0 to 4, the lesser bracket. So when it is in lesser bracket, this will be 0. The other two will be 0. And this will be copied as it is. So the answer is 6,000. Let's take up another example. 7803. Now as I told, 1, 2, 3, 3 points, we have to consider 1, 2, 3, the third point. Now it is falling into the greater bracket. When this is falling into greater bracket, this will be added 1, previous number will be added 1, and the other numbers will be 000. As it is, the 0 will drop down. This will become 8. So this becomes 8,000, nearest 1,000. Let's take up one more example, third example. 5, 6, 2, 2. Now, as I told, the 3 points have to be considered, 1, 2, 3. Now, the third number is in the elder bracket, in the bigger bracket. So, when this is in the bigger bracket, the previous number will be added 1. This will become 6 and the next all will become zeros. Let's take up one more example. 6, 3, 2, 1. Now 1, 2, 3, 3 point. This is lesser than 5. This is into 0 to 4 bracket. So this will become 0, 0, 0. Nothing will be added here. So this will drop down as it is. So this is rounding off to 1,000. Let's take up next example. Let's round off to nearest 10,000. Okay, so first example, 62015. So when 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros are here, so we'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 points, right? So when 4 points, it is in the lesser bracket, so nothing will be added here. So this number will be dropped as it is, and all of them will be zeros. Now take up another example, 7, 7, 4, 3. Now 1. I'm adding one more number. So this becomes 77,431. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth point. This is in the bigger bracket. So when this is in the bigger bracket, we add 1 in the previous number. This will become 8 and everything else will become 0. So this is how rounding off to nearest 10,000 will happen. Let's take up another example, third one, 50178. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth number is in the lesser bracket. So nothing will be added here. This will come as it is and all of them will be 0. Now let's take up another example, 38940. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth number, it is in the greater bracket. So 1 will be added here in the previous number. This will be 4. This will drop down as it is as 0. So I hope this is clear in the Cambridge program. Now let's take up CBSE pattern. Estimation. Topic. So when we are nearing off, let's round off to nearest 10. So our first example is 36. Remember, as I told earlier, you have to keep it in mind, 0 to 4 is the lesser bracket, 5 to 9 is the bigger bracket. So 36. Now 36 falls in the range of 30 to 40. So when we are rounding off to nearest 10, we will take the bracket of range of 10, right? This is the midpoint. Now midpoint is 35. Now 36. 36 falls here or here. It falls here. So the nearest 10 would be, answer would be 40. This is one way. The second way is seeing the tens number. So as I told, one place, so ones place. So this is falling into the elder bracket. So this will hop on to the next tens. This is the second way. Now let's take up, if I'm taking 72, 72 ranges between 70 to 80. Now if I'm seeing, as there is 1 0, ones place 2. So this is the midpoint. 2 will be falling in 0. Between 0 to 4, it will be falling in the lesser bracket. So it will jump off here. So the answer would be 70. Let's take up with hundreds. Let's round off to nearest 100. Again, the same thing, we'll keep it in mind. Again, the same thing, we'll keep it in mind. 0 to 4 is one bracket. 5 to 9 is the elder bracket. So, if I take the number 326. So, there are two zeros, 1 and 2. So, we'll see the second place, 1, 2, second place. So, the range is 300 to 400, right? So, the second number is falling in the lesser bracket. So, when it is falling in the lesser bracket, it will jump on to the previous number. So, the answer is 300. Let's take up another example. So, the second example we are taking is 539. So, the range is between 500 to 600. Now, as we have to round off to nearest 100, two zeros are there in 100, I told you. So, first and second, two places we'll consider. Now, this is falling into the lesser bracket, that is 0 to 4 bracket. So, the number will jump off here. So, the answer would be 500. Now, let's round off to nearest 1000. So our first number is 7,864. So the range of 1000 is 7,000 to 8,000. Now 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. The third place, it is falling in the second bracket, in the elder bracket. So between 5 to 9. So it will jump off onto the elder number, that is the bigger number. So 8,000 is the answer. Let's take up another example. 5, 2, 8, 9. Now the range is between 5,000 to 6,000. Now 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The 3 zeros are there. 3 places. We'll check which is in the younger bracket, 0 to 4. So the number will jump off here. So the nearest estimation would be 5,000. Let's round off to nearest 10,000. So 8, 6, 3, 1, 4. So let's round off. So here the range is 80,000 to 90,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are there. So we'll compare the number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, fourth place. This is falling into the elder bracket. That is between 5 to 9. So the number will jump off to the next round off number. That is 90,000 is the nearest 10,000. Let's take a lesser example. 5, 2, 6, 1, 1. So the range is 50,000 to 60,000. Now let's check. 4 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are there. This place. This is falling into the younger bracket, that is between 0 to 4. So this will be falling here. So the round off will be 50,000. I hope that is clear.